is Emily McCarthy. Emily? In second place is Molly Hiltica. Molly? She's not here, we'll get to her. And in first place, the winner of a turkey, Anne McKee. For the boys, 15 and under. Third place, Colby Watts. Colby? Make sure you get that. In second place, Matthew Bryant. Hi. Matthew. In first place, a turkey for a turkey, Luke Laverdier. Third place. All right, for the 16 to 19 age group, in third place for the girls, Becky Glennie. Becky. In second place is Michelle Woods. Is Michelle here? Not here, okay. And in first place, 16 to 19, is Morgan B. For the boys, 16 to 19. In third place, Jared Jones. In second place, Will Lundquist. And in first place, for 16 to 19, is Briar Beatty.
Two turkeys.
Oh, we always knew that. All right, for the girls, 28 to 29, in third place is Bianca Acero. Bianca. In second place is Anna Haber. Anna. And in first place is Amanda Asaro. Amanda. Okay, we'll make sure she gets it. For the men, 20 to 29, in third place is Craig Zella. In second place is Elias Tapley. Elias. And in first place, 20 to 29, for the men is Danny Sullivan. Danny. For the girls, or women I should say, 30 to 39, in third place, Sarah Gardella. In second place is Amanda Keys. And in first place is Marie Wheaton. Marie. Congratulations. For the guys, in third place, 30 to 39, Wayne Parody. In second place is Ryan Gross. And in first place, 30 to 39, is Richard Cotta. Richard. place is Lynn Wood, 40 to 49. Lynn. And in first, in 40 to 49 age group woman is Jennifer Cusack. Jennifer? Okay, for the women, 40 to 49, or men, 40 to 49. Third place is Sean Tuttle. Sean, third place. In second place, 40 to 49, is Carter Vinke. Carter. In first place, 40 to 49 men, is Stuart Richmond. Stuart. Okay, 50 to 59 women. In third place is Lucy Peach. Lucy? In second place is Ann Buxton. Ann? In first place, 50 to 59, is Katrina Oswald. Katrina? Okay, for the men, 50 to 59. In third place is Donald Wood. In second place is Ron Harry. Ron? In first place, 50 to 59, is Mike Laughlin. Mike. Okay, we have an age group 60 to 99. In third place is Helen Emazine. Helen, congratulations again. In second place is Penny Eno. Penny? Penny? And in first place is Jane Rao. I apologize if I mispronounced that. Jane Rao. Okay. In the men, 60 to 99. Third place is George Campbell. Third place for the men in 60 to 69, George Campbell. George. In second is Raul Siren. Siren, congratulations. And in first place, 60 to 99, is Guy Berthulium. Berthu, congratulations, Guy.